If you have developed an allergy to wheat protein, which is gluten, as you hear it all the time, that I have got gluten allergy or I've got milk allergy, milk protein allergy, those proteins are not supposed to cross the gut and get into the brain. But when that happens, the gut becomes leaky and these molecules are able to cross over into the bloodstream and then get inside the brain and cause inflammation.
These observations and others have resulted in various research developments. One of those studies looks at diet and gut morphology and its impact on the growth and development of the brain cells, called neurons, that send signals of all kinds throughout the entire body, as well as receiving sensory signals being sent to the brain.
I was the first one to say that all problems in the body have their origin in the gut. Remember, the gut is your tube that allows everything from the outside in. So before you attempt the other treatments, I believe a diet and proper probiotic supplementation would benefit the child.
A lot of the psychiatric disorders often carry inflammation as a component of their presentation. Depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, PTSD, generalized anxiety disorder, autism spectrum disorders, all of them are associated with some form of an effect on the gut. And the leaky gut in itself might increase the brain inflammation. And this is a common theme amongst all of these disorders.
A large-scale clinical study with up to 300 autistic children has just begun on the positive effects of probiotics. It is expected this study would be the definitive high watermark that might reveal the gut-brain connection.
I think the good news is that we're finally at the point where we can start combining these novel therapies. So I'm really excited to see us go forward with this observational study we're doing, which will do this very thing, take a population of kids that are autistic and at high risk, give them a probiotic regimen which will be designed for them, followed by a simulation of the brain over a period of 8 to 12 weeks.
It would actually be very naive, scientifically speaking, if we were to say that everybody is going to get a cookie-cutter treatment. And that is why today's world is going to be the world of personalized genomics and personalized medicine. And that would apply to autism as well, because we are going to be able to test for the leaky gut and the microbiome testing, and then modulate that microbiome so that their gut issues are also taken care of. So this is a very exciting time where we may be able to alter and modulate all of that.
I'm originally from the Balkans, was born in Yugoslavia. When my parents came to this country, they had not heard of half the diseases that people were talking about here, and that was in the 1950s. So that has expanded exponentially, and I do believe that with a true mind and a true heart, you can find a solution to every problem. You just have to apply yourself.